In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run workflow n8n. By the end, you'll feel comfortable opening n8n, getting to your workflow, adding the steps you need, and running it confidently. First, open your browser and go to n8n.io. From there, access your n8n workspace or instance. When the app loads, you'll be taken into the environment where workflows live. If you land on a list of workflows, choose the option to open a workflow or start a new one so you arrive at the workflow editor. This editor is your canvas. On the left, you'll see a panel where you can search for nodes, the building blocks of your automation. The main area is where you arrange and connect those nodes. Once you're on your workflow canvas, it's time to add your steps. Every workflow typically begins with a trigger because that's what tells n8n when to start. For quick testing, a manual trigger is handy as it lets you run the workflow right from the editor. After the trigger, add the actions you need, like transforming data, calling an API, or sending a message. To add a step, click the plus icon on the canvas or the Add Node button, search for the node you want, and drop it into place. Click any node to configure it on the right-hand panel, where you'll fill in fields, map data from previous nodes, and set options specific to that node. Connect nodes by dragging from one node's output to the next node's input, forming a clear path that reflects the order of operations. As you build, name your nodes clearly so it's easy to understand the flow at a glance. If a node requires authentication, make sure the credentials are already set up in your workspace. You'll select them in the node settings. You can also test individual nodes when available to confirm they behave as expected before running the whole thing. Keep an eye on sample data outputs in the editor to validate that your mappings look right. When you're ready to see everything in action, click Execute Workflow at the top. n8n will run your workflow from the trigger through each connected node. Watch the execution details as they appear. Each node will show whether it succeeded, the time it took, and the data it produced. If something fails, open that node, read the error message, and adjust the configuration or data mapping, then run again. That's all there is to it. Go to n8n.io, get into your workflow, add your steps, and execute. With a clear trigger, well-configured nodes, and meaningful names, running your workflow in n8n becomes smooth, predictable, and easy to repeat.